Everyone is spinning up a vector database for company knowledge. Most of them do not need one. Google just published a simpler answer, OKF. Open Knowledge Format. A version-controlled folder of Markdown files. No embeddings pipeline, no vector store, just structured truth agents can walk. Each file is YAML frontmatter plus a Markdown body, a required type field. Links between files build a navigable graph of your business. Vector databases retrieve fuzzy chunks. They guess. OKF is curated, linked, and reviewed in Git. Progressive disclosure keeps the context window clean. You do not write every page by hand. Enrichment agents can draft files from BigQuery and your existing systems. Git turns the folder into live agent context. Honest catch, it is version 0.1. Best for stable expertise, not every noisy Slack thread. Start where the truth actually lives. Bigger picture. Stop renting a vector store to re-explain your company. One folder, machine first, human readable. That is Google OKF, the simple folder replacing vector databases. Like and subscribe if you want more agent plumbing taken apart for real.